What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are talking about these monstrosities right here, these sprayer heads. I've done videos before talking about this. I actually modded, well, I say modded loosely because I don't actually consider it a mod, but I did try to fix one of my IK sprayers with tape, like a Teflon tape almost. And what I did was I took that stuff and I wrapped it around and made it, because what the issue is this, I don't know if it's focusing on it, digs into your hand. So what you end up with now is an indent here. It's just so skinny right here that it's just not fun to use, especially with these larger TR1 type bottles. But this recently happened. This bottle came into the world. This bottle came into the scene for me. It's the Mini 360. What I love about this is the 360 nozzle setup, so I could spray upside down. Very freaking cool. But what they did was they fixed this. They gave us something that is very ergo, and it's not going to dig into my hand. It's a clip-on. Now, what I was hoping was that they were going to offer some sort of option to just put these clips. I don't understand why that's not a thing, but it's not a thing. I just noticed that now Sky Car Care, I'll link it down below, is selling these. So this is the solution I've been waiting for, but of course you have to buy the whole sprayer. So long and short of it, it's not a big deal. It was only like $4, $5, $6 or whatever. And obviously you have to factor in shipping and all that other crap. But I did want to just show you what we're working with here. I actually like it even more. This is one of my favorite bottles. Color-wise, I dig it a lot. And the theme, I know this shouldn't matter, but also, not only is it going to look better, it's going to function better. So I kind of just want to show you what we're doing. This is just water in here. It's all the same sprayer, but I just want to show you all what we're working with now. This is the updated sprayer now on my bottle, so I don't have to buy a new bottle. I just had to buy this. I think this is an absolute necessity if you have these bottles in any sort of quantity and you use it for any sort of longer periods of time and expect to not be pissed off at these bottles. I am extremely happy. I really like IK. I like IK in general. You know, I have the OG little foam pump, and I also have the 2. I didn't get the 2 Plus. I was thinking about it, but Schrader valve and this and that, I feel like I could just pump this and it's not a big deal. But I got that, and then I ended up picking up like 4 or 5 of these minis. I really like these a lot. Size-wise, I believe it's 20 ounces. It just holds what I need. And the fact that it's a 360 is incredible. I'm super, super in love with these. I probably will pick up more as time goes on, but I do like these for the larger products, wheel cleaners if I want, or something that I know I'm going to keep in it long term and want to use and not change and have higher quantities of stuff that I'm not going to use on a small occasion in different dilutions, blah, 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 and I'm changing it up often. Anything that I want to keep in here and I know I'm going to keep large quantity of, these bottles are incredible. But again, let's show you the difference. This is the old Yuckmeister, and we're just switching them. I can't tell you how difficult it was for me to not pop these on. immediately when I got it in the mail, but I really wanted to film doing it because I'm so freaking excited. That's how excited I am. I'm just so freaking excited to tell you that I now don't hate these bottles at all. So I will still save these sprayers. So this will probably be able to be removed. If something happens to these sprayers, if they do get clogged up or plunger breaks or anything happens to here, I'm almost positive that yep, okay, buy the extra sprayer with this, right? This piece, if something ever happens to that sprayer, can just probably, yep, can just go on the other sprayer. So it's not a huge waste of money by any means. What you are getting is a backup sprayer, and that's it. You're getting a second sprayer, so you're gonna have peace of mind that you have a backup sprayer, which in any detailing scenario is a good thing, in my opinion. But you're also gonna be able to keep this clip for switching. Like I said, I wish they would have just sold this clip. That would have been awesome, but I guess cost of production and selling just a clip, how do you ship that? I don't know what that would cost, or if they'd even want to bother doing that. Maybe that's coming down the line, but either way, I just wanted to show you that option, and we are going to link down below the upgraded sexiness here, okay? This is beautiful. I'm super excited. I think the whole lineup in general is a pretty big win. I love the company. I think these sprayers are fantastic, but with the smaller handle, it's crap. I don't really like. I'm so happy that they changed it. If I can explain to you how ridiculous it was and how much better it is. It's pretty insane. Sorry if the filming's weird. Like I said, I'm on an 85mm, so the camera is way the hell back there. I just like the effect of it. I do have a 50 1:2 I'm probably gonna experiment with and see where that goes. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for all the support. It means a lot. Let me know what you think about this little addition. If you were on the fence about these bottles before, and it was because of this little skinny little pincher here, I don't think you need to be on the fence. I think this is an absolute game changer of a addition to the sprayer. Very easy to swap. Thank God that they did it. And like I said, buy the second set. So now I have an extra set. If something happens to this sprayer, all I have to do is transfer the clip. So I'm set. I'm easy to go now. It's good to go. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Go pick it up. Anyway, I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one. Real quick, I just wanted to show you. This was the bottle I did it to. And I use this Ethos DeFi a lot. I actually like the product quite a bit, but I had this handle that I made, well, not made, I just basically modified it so that it was not digging into my hand. And it worked. It was fine, but obviously it doesn't look as nice as this looks. So now I get to not look like like I just MacGyvered a bottle. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.